Hey guys, what's happening? How to call in Google Chat. First of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features and also to avoid the bugs and crashes. So go ahead and open it up and make sure to log in using your account. Okay, you can use any of your, if you have many Google accounts like me, you could just go ahead and use the one account that you're gonna use the one account you want to access or call or make contacts with. Okay, and then select the person. Okay, let's have example Elisa, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the camera icon at the top, like it's the video call, right? And you're gonna see two options. You can go ahead and hit the chat audio at the top and start initiating the call with that, basically initiate the call with that person, okay? And you can basically talk with that person and wait for their response like a normal voice call. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Catch you in the next time.